Hello my friends, Frédéric Bergeron for Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade the firmware of an ICT TSL readers. So basically we're slowly switching to the TSL readers from the TSEC readers depending on the model. But for instance, if you have an ICT wireless lux project and you want to use one of these TSL readers as an update reader, you will need to upgrade the firmware inside. Okay, so basically there's a production firmware for regular doors, but there's also a newer firmware for using these for encoding and reading cards for wireless lux. Okay, as well as saving the programming of a lock onto the config app. Okay, so this is great because in the past we had to connect the readers to an RS-45 converter, and we had to use a USB cable with the laptop and a tool to upgrade the firmware. So meaning you had to remove the reader from the wall if you needed to do it. Now I can simply go to the GX web interface. I believe it's from version 1543 and up. But basically the current version that's released on the ICT's website today has that feature implemented. Okay, the reader must have a minimum firmware, I believe, of 382. Okay, but that's, I believe, documented. So anyways, right now I'm in the page for the web page of the controller. I'm gonna go to application software, and then when I go to the modules section, you see I can see my TSL readers. To be able to see them, they must be wired and configured in RS-45 mode, which is the default communication protocol for TSL readers when they're out of the box. Okay, so they're ready to communicate over RS-45, unlike the TSEC readers, which are vegan by default. Okay, for various reasons, we always said you should always use RS-45, which basically had this feature now that you can upgrade the readers from the web. Okay, so I will select the reader that's the older version. Okay, so the port number 2, I will connect and browse for, I will browse for the firmware, and the firmware is here. So I'm gonna go from 385 to 397, okay? Takes about 5 minutes to do the firmware update, so to save you some time, we're gonna skip this piece of updating when editing so that you don't have to wait 5 minutes, okay? So see you when it's done. All right, so now we have the firmware updated okay message. All right, so the reader is back to being solid blue, okay? Before it was in firmware update mode. So I can click OK. I'm just gonna refresh the page to load the new data. And now we should have 2 readers with version 397, okay? Again, I find this is a very cool feature. You don't have to go around and disconnect readers anymore. You can update them from the web page of the controller, which is very useful. So when ICT will add new features to the TSL readers, you're gonna be able to actually update that way, okay? So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget, we have tons and tons of tutorial available on our channel, okay? So you can use these to learn about new products and also to learn how to program them, which we think is very useful. All right, so my name is Frédéric Bergeron, again, from Inaxsys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.